Okay, so this is a video guide showing you how to copy recordings from one year to another year. So from your previous year to a new year. In this example, I'll be copying some recordings from the 2023-24 module into a 24-25 module. Now the prerequisite step you must do is just make sure, go to your new module. In this case, I've got a 24-25 module. And you got to make sure that you've already configured this module for the Panopto service. So there will be other video guides on our website which show you to do that. You can generally click on the plus sign and you go to link. You put in like my lecture recordings. You choose Panopto Lecture Capture. You click on submit and it generates this particular link here. And that ensures that your new module is commissioned already with the Panopto Lecture service, which creates a Panopto folder where your recordings are going to be copied into. So that's a prerequisite step. You've got to make sure that you have Panopto already configured for the 24-25 module. So then, next thing you do is you go back to your the source module that you want to copy from. So it's my 2023-24, the historical module. You go in there, and on the left-hand panel, you have your Panopto link. So it can be called a range of things, but in this case, it's called Panopto Lecture Capture. It might be down near the bottom of the list, depends where it's been put. So you click on that. And this brings me into my historical module where I have two recordings that I want to copy across to the new year, which is 24-25. So I tick those here, the check boxes. And then I go up to the copy button. Then it asks me where do I want to copy these two recordings to. I choose my down arrow and I go down and find my module example 24-25. And I select that. So I'm going to copy my videos from 2023-24 to a 24-25 module. So I click on copy. And it's simple as that. That's done. Then I just go to my 24-25 module and check that those have been copied into the new module. So I got my 2024 module, 2024-25, click on my lecture recordings. And now you see that the two recordings that have been copied from the old module into the new module. So that's how you actually transfer recordings or copy recordings from the historical module into a new module.